Conservation of plants and animals means conservation is basically a word which is used for conservation of fuels, conservation of water. But here the term conservation symbolizes how can we save plants, how can we save animals, because they are living part of the environment. So all of them, plants and animals, they are directly related to the human existence on the earth. So the first part of the chapter is deforestation and its causes. A great variety of plants and animals exist. They are different types of plants and animals. They are essential for the well-being and living of the human being, of mankind. Then we have read about deforestation, the cutting down of trees. So the existence of human being on the earth depends on the growth of the plants. We know that deforestation means the cutting down of trees and forests, and when we cut down the forest, the trees and forests are needed for what? That also you have read in environmental studies. Trees, they are needed for the processing and for cultivation. Why are they trees cut down? The trees are cut down for procuring the food. That means we cut down the trees so that we have space available on the land where we can grow crops. Then for building, construction of houses, for making roads, for making factories and other things. Now these are considered important for growth, but when we cut down the forest, that is deforestation, then it affects the natural balance on the earth. What are the consequences of deforestation? Whenever we cut down the forest, then what happens due to deforestation? Now here you have read it earlier also. The consequences of deforestation are many. Now here they have given example of two children, Paheli and Bhujo. So if you read, you will see that they symbolize that children are aware of the environment. What will happen if trees are cut down? When the trees are cut down, there will be increased chances of natural calamities, such as there will be floods and there will be droughts. Either there will be more water and there will be more water during the rain, and there will be droughts when there is less rain. So we will read why does this happen. Recall that plants and animals need carbon dioxide. They use the carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and they produce oxygen. This is the basic thing, that plants are needed to produce oxygen, but plants need carbon dioxide and they help to maintain balance in the nature between the amount of carbon dioxide and the amount of oxygen on the earth. So we will read in detail what are the consequences of deforestation on